This custom-designed home with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths is just a short walk from the river where you'll find trophy trout fishing. The cold spring-fed waters of the North Fork of the White River are great for fishing and also for kayaking and floating. The large entertaining deck on the left provides a fabulous view of the river. This is just one of the many trout in the river. They love cold water and grow big here. Enjoy the view from the comfort of your home while looking through the double-pane windows. The view out the window on the front of the house is beautiful too. The home includes siding over log construction and composition roof. It also includes a lovely covered front porch with stone and cedar wood columns. The home has an unfinished basement with enough space for a couple more bedrooms, family room, rec room, and is plumbed for a 3rd bathroom. It also includes a native stone wood-burning fireplace. The rear of the home includes a lot of windows providing amazing views and lots of natural light. Steps lead right down to the river where all the fun begins. The 2-car detached garage includes a lean-to, which is the perfect storage place for your boat or lawnmower. The garage is 36 feet by 24 feet and includes electric and an RV pad. The property also includes an established garden area with a peach tree and a pavilion for grilling. Currently undergoing renovations, the home was gutted and will be fabulous once complete. The native stone wood-burning fireplace on the left includes a cedar mantle with columns. New cabinets, fresh paint, new HVAC and new floor is what you'll soon find in this very large kitchen. This is one of the 3 bedrooms in the home. It has a large window which overlooks the river. Imagine waking up to this view every morning. Both bathrooms in the house include tile floors and walk-in showers. This is part of the master bath, which will include a rain shower head and also a garden tub. This walk-in shower, in addition to having tile, also has a window with a view. Although this home isn't complete yet, it is and will be fabulous. Please give us a call and we'll be happy to show it to you.